Hello, the following presentation is going to demonstrate network communication from a client program to a custom idle indexer. The idle indexer is going to index the content into the idle engine without a physical file existing on the disk drive, but will pull the data from memory and index it into the idle engine. The indexer will try to search for any content that matches the user's agents. Today's demo involves two programs. On the left side, we have the idle indexer, and on the top right we have our internet browser, and on the bottom right we have the idle indexer client. The idle indexer client is just a network program that initiates a request to the idle indexer that sends data through a network socket. Alright, let's look at two use cases. The first is some information regarding stock and finance information from Yahoo Finance. The second is data from the SmartTeam website, smartteamllc.com. So if we look at the browser and go to the portal inbox, you will see we only have one agent set up, which is called stock, and a training word, stock. And when we look at the SmartTeam alert, which is a customized portlet, in portal in a box, we can see that it isn't finding anything matching this agent. Okay, before we get started, I'm going to clean up the directory content in the engine just to make sure that it's empty. And now we'll get on with the demo. First I'm going to start the indexer, and you can see that the indexer is running and waiting for a connection. And I'll start the client program, which will connect to the indexer, and we'll load this GUI. In the GUI itself, you can see that we have a URL reference and the content. I'll send it, and you can see the data has shown up, and we have gotten a pop-up message. This message only pops up when just index content matches the agent. It also returns the exact document reference in the engine according to the user's agent. When I click on the full story, it's going to bring up the original URL for this stock, which is Yahoo Finance. So you can see there's the Yahoo Finance webpage. Now we're going to send the second use case, which is the SmartTeam website data. So let's copy the website content as well as the URL. I'll click send, and the indexer sees that it has indexed it into the idle engine. You can see that there's a loop going on here. The customized indexer is checking to see if the newly indexed data has been indexed and whether it matches an agent. And you can see that we didn't receive a pop-up, so this data doesn't have anything to do with the agent that was set up. So in summary, you will only receive the pop-up and be able to view the full story if the indexed data matches the agent that is set up. So that's it for the demo. I thank you for viewing it. If you have any inquiries or questions, please visit us at our website, smartteamllc.com.